Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and right now you will learn how you can attach your email in Gmail. So let's go. First, what you want to do, let's say that I have this email here and I want to send it to someone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this more, print, and now you have more settings. No, sorry, you go to destination, save as PDF. Okay. Now save. Okay. We got it right here on my desktop. You can see it. And now what I'm going to do, I will go to inbox, compose, and when you want to I'll send a message, just add a file, you'll have it here, Gmail. And now you have it here, the whole PDF, and then you just send it to, I don't know, Marcus. Let's say that I'm going to send it to myself. I will show you how it looks like. Send. And here I go. And look at that, when I'm going to open it, I got the whole PDF file. So this is how you can do it. It's, I think, relatively easy. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I would be really thankful for that. And also write me what else would you like to learn and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya.